Have you ever walked into a senior's home and wondered, how is it always so calm and clean? It's not magic. It's not hours of scrubbing, and it's definitely not good luck. In fact, clutter isn't just messy, it's dangerous. Every year, 1 in 4 seniors falls, and tripping over stray shoes is often the cause. But today, I'll show you 6 effortless habits seniors with spotless homes use daily. No heavy lifting, no complicated routines, just simple, safe tricks that keep their spaces peaceful, even with arthritis or tired joints. And don't skip habit number 6. It's a game changer for anyone who hates cleaning. Habit number 1. Spotless homes aren't spotless because they never get messy. They're spotless because messes don't stay messy. Seniors swear by this rule. Touch it once. Mail? Open it, sort it, toss junk right away, no letting bills pile up. Dishes? Rinse or load them immediately so you're not stuck scrubbing dry gunk later. Coat or bag? Hang it up. Don't toss it on a chair where it becomes a tripping hazard. This tiny habit saves your back, your time, and your peace of mind. And if bending hurts, keep a drop basket at waist height to avoid stooping. Habit number 2. Seniors with serene homes start their day with a 10-minute reset. Not deep cleaning. It's just you claiming control. Make the bed, even just pulling up the blanket. Wipe the kitchen counters. Open the blinds to let in light. Why? Studies show a tidy morning routine cuts stress by 25%. And for seniors, less stress means steadier hands, better balance, and happier days. Plus, sunlight helps you spot hazards, like that rogue throw rug, before they trip you up. Habit number 3. Keys, mail, reading glasses. These tiny items cause 80% of daily clutter and frantic searches. The fix? A 5-minute drop zone. A decorative tray by the door for keys. A wall-mounted basket for mail. A small hook for your cane or umbrella. This isn't just tidying, it's safety. When every item has a home, you avoid frantic bending or rushing. And for seniors, fewer rushed movements mean fewer falls. Now, before we get to habit number 4, if you're finding these tips helpful, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss any videos. Subscribing is free, and it helps me keep making videos that make your life easier, safer, and calmer. Let's keep your home spotless together. Habit number 4. A spotless kitchen isn't about scrubbing, it's about rhythm. Rinse dishes while the soup simmers. Wipe spills before they turn sticky. Put spices back as you use them. This habit isn't just for cleanliness, it's for safety. A clutter-free stove means no knocking over hot pans. Clear counters mean no accidental cuts from hidden knives. And if standing hurts, keep a stool nearby. Sit while you prep. Habit number 5. Here's the secret. Seniors with tidy homes never sit down to relax until they've spent 5 minutes resetting. Straighten couch pillows. Clear the coffee table. No more knocking over teacups. Fold the throw blanket. Think of it like brushing your teeth. Non-negotiable, quick, and kind to your future self. Bonus? A clutter-free living room cuts nighttime fall risks by 40%. Habit number 6. Tidying doesn't have to be a solo job. Smart seniors make it social. Do a 10-minute family tidy after dinner. Ask grandkids to help organize a drawer. They love feeling useful. Or if you live alone, crank up some music, light a lavender candle, and dance while you dust. Pro tip: use a lightweight extendable duster to avoid straining your shoulders. Cleaning shouldn't hurt. Now for a bonus habit, here's the truth. The less you own, the easier it is to keep your home clean, safe, and serene. Every week, toss one expired item from the fridge. Donate clothes you haven't worn in a year. Recycle old magazines cluttering the side table. Decluttering isn't just about space, it's about freedom. Fewer items mean fewer things to clean, organize, or trip over. And for seniors, that's pure peace. So, if you like this video, tell me what topic I should cover next. Drop your ideas in the comments below. Your suggestions decide my next videos. And if you try any of today's habits, tell me how it went. Did the morning reset calm your day? Did the drop zone save your keys? I read every comment, and your stories keep me inspired. Subscribe for more senior-safe tips delivered straight to your feed. And hit that bell so you never miss a video. Until then, keep it simple, keep it safe, and keep thriving in your cozy, clutter-free home.